Good morning, everyone. I wanted to give you some feedback on one of the assignments that I graded, and that was answering some questions with short answers and sentences. The questions were about the video, How to Get Better at the Things You Care About. It was a TED Talk by Eduardo Briseño. Some of the questions that many of the students answered in our class used words directly from the video transcript. So some of the students used language that was exactly the same from the video. So I just wanted to share with you that it's very important for you to know that when you're answering questions, you must use your own original words. Sometimes those questions that I ask, the answers are in the video, but it's very important that you do not copy word for word the language from the video. I pulled up this page from Purdue University, from the Purdue Online Writing Lab, that talks about plagiarism and what is it. In this section right here under the question, is it plagiarism yet? The answer is, there are some actions that can be unquestionably be labeled plagiarism. Some of these include buying, stealing, or borrowing a paper, hiring someone to write your paper for you, and copying large sections of text from a source without quotation marks or proper citation. So in this homework assignment, nobody bought or stole or hired somebody to write their homework assignment, but there were sections of the video that were copied, and proper citation or a proper naming of the source was not given. So I just want to remind you that when you're doing your homework, it's okay to use the ideas from the video. I want you to. But if you use word for word ideas from the video, you definitely have to use quotation marks around those words, and you have to say where you got that from. According to Eduardo Briseño, quotation mark, and then you put the text that he stated. Or you could use verbs such as Briseño claims, or Briseño states, or Briseño believes. And then you're giving credit to the person who stated these ideas rather than proposing these ideas as if they are your own, which they are not. So I want you to be very sure and careful that if you use ideas directly from the video and language directly from the video, you definitely have to use quotation marks and cite your source. Give credit to the person who stated these things, okay? I hope that's clear. Let's see what else is on this page that might be useful for us. Yeah, just this section right here. When do we give credit? The key to avoiding plagiarism is to make sure you give credit where it is due. This may be credit for something somebody said, wrote, emailed, drew, or implied. So a list of some things that need to be credited are words presented in a TED Talk. It doesn't say TED Talk there, but it says words presented in a magazine, book, newspaper, song, TV program, etc., but also words from a TED Talk. When you copy the exact words or a unique phrase. I think those are the most applicable to what I'm talking about right now and what I noticed in many students' responses I'm concerned that you're using exact phrases and exact wording that's not your own, and it looks like you're trying to use it as your own. But it's very important that you give credit to the original source, or or if some of those ideas are very common, you can use them without giving credit to the source, but you have to change the language. You have to say it in your own way. You can't copy a sentence exactly how it is from a video. Okay, I hope this is clear. I'm going to give you a short little comprehension check on this.